Morgan Law, I got better, 94.9 WQMX. It sure recently have teamed up with Missing Mountain Brewing for a special beer. If you remember it from last year, Pink Peaks, you can get it again this year. It's a fruit beer that was made for WQMX and Bosom Buddies, and a portion of every sale of Pink Peaks will go to Cleveland Clinic Akron General's program that provides free mammograms to those in our community who can't afford them. So get to Missing Mountain, get some good food, get that Pink Peaks beer. They're on Front Street in the Falls. All the details are WQMX.com.
Enjoy peace of mind behind the wheel of your vehicle from Sarah Auto Farm.
The clock is ticking on October savings at Sarah Chevrolet. Lease a new 2025 Silverado LT 4x4 for $279 a month, or the new 2026 Equinox LT for $289 a month. Act fast, these deals won't last. Sarah Chevrolet in Akron on the Green Auto Mile. Together, let's drive.
We're getting calls.
About?
Buddy.
Our beaver?
They're asking, what's a beaver know about plumbing?
Beg your pardon?
Easy now.
I'll have you know, when a beaver builds a dam,
Here we go.
it can last for centuries.
No kidding.
Look it up.
Don't you mean Google it?
You do you, I'll do right.
Now, buddy.
Buddy's Plumbing Excellence is plumbing at the speed of now.
You call, we come, it's fixed.
Guaranteed.
Of course.
That's because every one of our certified plumbers brings years of experience.
Beaver know-how.
Hardly. That's something you're born with.
Hours of ongoing training then.
That's better.
That's why we're your fixed right the first time plumbers.
So, what do I tell these callers?
Ask them if they want it done right and done to last.
Just like Buddy would do.
Buddy's Plumbing Excellence. Your fixed right the first time plumbers.
He's Anthony.
She's Vicky.
I'm Buddy. For plumbing at the speed of now, it's Buddy's Plumbing Excellence.com.
Station 300 on East Cuyahoga Falls Avenue in Akron is upgrading the fun in every way. Every Tuesday from 3 to 11, you'll pay just $2 for a game of bowling, $2 for shoes, $2 for hot dogs and fries, $2 for high-end drafts, and $2 for nachos and cheese. Be sure to ask about Crazy 8's all-day Sundays and Cosmic Lunar Bowling every Friday and Saturday night. Eat, drink, play at Station 300. Find Station 300 on Facebook or visit station300akron.com.
Isn't it time you expected more from your drive? More than just getting from A to B. More than just the same old ride. It's time for a vehicle that gives you true luxury, technology, and a quiet, peaceful drive. You're thinking